welcome back to another video. Thanks for the last video I did was me burping Old Town Road. Go check that out. It was funny. Okay, here we go. This time I'm burping Bill Nice Guy.
Bill Nice Guy. Bill. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Hey, rules. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
That was Bill Nye, everyone. Thanks for
Subscribing.
That's Bill Nye and.
Let it go.
Oh, you will go. Also, do you like it? That one's not one.
Let it go.
Hey Mom, I got a good idea. I want we do a Jordan's birthday first.
Let it go! Wait, no. I can do that one. That can happen. Here we go, do both. And a special thing. I don't have McDonald's, guys. I can't. I hope we green screen time, guys.
Hello, guy, get one. Not.
With one. Large, super large fry. One.
Super large fry. And one cola. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
But also, guys, I never drink. Nope, I didn't drink any pop today. Nope. And
see you on that. Bye bye.
oh, I want to do this. Bye.